Artificial intelligence is all around us, from Siri answering your questions to Netflix recommending your next favorite series. But have you ever wondered, how does it all work? Today, we'll break down AI into simple, everyday concepts you'll understand. No tech degree needed. Hi, welcome to Dominate AI. AI is shaping the future, but many people still think it's all about robots taking over the world. The truth? AI is way simpler and cooler than that. In this video, we'll explain the basics of AI, covering 3 key topics: machine learning, neural networks, and natural language processing. Trust me, you'll walk away feeling like an AI pro. Number 1. Machine learning. Think of machine learning as teaching a computer to learn from examples, just like how we learn from experience. For example, if you show an AI hundreds of cat photos, it learns to recognize cats in new images. The more data it sees, the smarter it gets. Tools like Google Translate and spam filters use this kind of learning every day. Number 2. Neural networks. This might sound fancy, but neural networks are inspired by how our brains work. Imagine a huge web of connected points like neurons in your brain working together to identify patterns. For example, when you upload a blurry photo and your phone sharpens it, that's a neural network at work. Number 3. Natural language processing, NLP. Ever typed a message and had your phone suggest the next word? That's NLP in action. It's how AI understands and communicates in human language. Tools like ChatGPT and Siri use NLP to process your words and respond intelligently. Let's connect this to real life. Your social media feeds. AI decides what you see. Self-driving cars. AI learns to recognize road signs and pedestrians. Even that autocorrect that frustrates you sometimes, that's AI trying to help. Now you know that AI isn't magic. It's just computers learning from data and patterns. What do you think is the coolest use of AI? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to learn more about how AI is shaping our world. Let's dominate AI together.